Venice, the city of gondolas, canals, and approximately 1 million tourists per square meter. But don't let the crowds fool you. Venice isn't just St. Mark's Square and overpriced gelato. It's also a labyrinth of quiet corners, secret gardens, and tucked-away treasures just waiting to be discovered. Today, we're taking you off the beaten path, because the real Venice begins where the tourists end. Let's explore. Our first stop. Libreria Acqua Alta, possibly the most photogenic bookstore in the world, and that's saying something. Here, books are stored in bathtubs, gondolas, and anything else that can float. Why? Because Venice floods, and nothing ruins a good novel faster than soggy pages. Pro tip. Climb the staircase made entirely of books for a view that's as Instagrammable as it is slightly precarious. Next, trade the crowds of St. Mark's for the serenity of Campo Santa Margherita. This lively yet local square is where Venetians go to sip coffee, chat with friends, and pretend they don't see the occasional lost tourist. Grab a seat at a cafe, order a spritz, and do your best to look like you belong. Bonus points if you nail the nonchalant Venetian attitude. For a true escape, hop on a vaporetto to Torcello, one of Venice's oldest islands and arguably its most peaceful. Once a bustling hub of activity, it's now home to ancient ruins, a Byzantine cathedral, and about 15 people. It's like stepping back in time, except with fewer plague outbreaks and more Instagram filters. Not all treasures in Venice are islands or landmarks. Some are just quiet corners, like the Fondamenta della Zattere. This stretch along the Giardino Canal offers wide promenades, breezy views, and gelato that locals swear by. It's the perfect place to escape the chaos and enjoy Venice at a slower pace, because who needs speed when you have views like this? Tired of the long lines at the Campanile in St. Mark's Square? Skip it and head to San Giorgio Maggiore instead. For a fraction of the price, and almost no waiting, you'll get panoramic views of Venice that are so breathtaking, you might forget to take a selfie. Don't worry, we said, might. If you're a fan of secret gardens, and who is not? Look for Giardino della Marinaressa, a hidden green oasis tucked away from the chaos. It's small, serene, and the perfect spot for a mid-exploration breather. Bring a book, or pretend to read one while you people watch. Either way, it's bliss. Venice has more churches than it does gelato shops, which is saying something. But while tourists flock to the big hitters, head to Santa Maria dei Miracoli, a marble-clad gem that feels like stepping into a jewelry box. It's small, it's stunning, and best of all, it's quiet enough to hear your own thoughts, or at least your footsteps echoing. Venetian nightlife doesn't have to mean crowded squares. Seek out a hidden bacaro, like Canteen del Vino Schiavi, for an authentic cicchetti and spritz experience. This isn't just a bar, it's a way of life. And don't worry if you don't speak Italian. The universal language of food and wine works just fine here. As the day winds down, head to the Giardino Canal for a sunset that feels like a painting come to life. Watch the golden light bounce off the water, reflect on the beauty of the city, and pat yourself on the back for discovering a Venice most tourists never see. You've earned it. Venice isn't just a city, it's a treasure hunt. From quiet campos to hidden gardens, these secret spots remind us that the real magic of Venice isn't in the big attractions, but in the moments you stumble upon when you wander off course. So get lost, explore, and let Venice surprise you. Trust us, it's worth it. Uncover Venice's hidden gems. Plan your adventure today.